Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I've bought myself a present. I've not been sent it to review, I've actually bought this with my own money. Let me give you some background. A couple of nights ago, I went to some friends for some supper, and on the way back I was walking down the lane and I heard a rustling in this hedge behind me. And it was more rustling than a mouse or a vole could make. So I waited. And guess what emerged? A hedgehog. So for the last few nights, I've been putting a plate of cat food down here. And every morning that cat food has disappeared. And I want to know whether it's the hedgehog that's coming round to eat it, or it could be a rook or a raven. So that's why I've bought what's in this box. And I'm going to open it now and show you. And then it's going to need some charging up, which I shall do tonight. And I shall set it up tomorrow, and hopefully over the weekend we'll get some footage of whatever it is that's coming out and feeding on my cat food. Right, let's get in this box. Now you've probably already guessed because I have given you a few clues. Here it is. It's a solar trail camera. Let's open the box and empty it onto this slab in front of me. Now I have bought this off Amazon, so of course there will be an Amazon link in the description box below this video. It's a solar trail camera and it's Wi-Fi and it's solar powered, so that's the benefit of it. There's a solar panel. Let's open this box up. Quick use guide. Now I do like a quick use guide. I don't like long-winded instructions. Some more instructions which are obviously slightly lengthier, and here is the camera. It's kind of sandy coloured. That's going to match the gravel quite well, isn't it? Put the polythene bag underneath and find out what else we've got in the box. A stand. These are obviously bits of kit for putting the solar panel up. And some wires. Oh, and of course the obligatory strap for strapping it to a tree. I've got a trachycarpus quite near where I'm putting this, so it can go there. Charging cable, and various different. We'll just open these bags up and we'll find out what's inside of here. There is brackets and Allen keys and more brackets. Two bases. I wonder why they've given me two bases. Anyway, we'll find out when I read the instructions. Let's just have a quick look at these. Now, I've been very impressed recently with these solar panel things. I have a pond pump, a bird camera, and a second pond pump, and these are turning out to be really good, and you can put things virtually anywhere in your garden where there's a bit of light, and it keeps the charge topped up. But I can see here that they've even given me a charging cable. What's this then? This obviously opens up, and there's the control panel. So there you go, there you have it. A solar powered hedgehog cam. I will put any footage I get from this in a separate video, which I will link in the description box below this one. And of course, I will give you some feedback on this, and I'll put the link to the product on Amazon in the description box below. Very excited about this. My whole garden has a wildlife theme, and to have seen a hedgehog in the garden was very exciting for me, because I do have an underground hedgehog house underneath a wildflower mound just behind the camera. So I'm hoping that they move in permanently and have babies. I'll see you soon for some more wildlife camera adventures. Bye for now.